Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going just under 3 miles.
Hi, how are you? Great.
Total for that order was just under $7. Next order up is a stack going to the same person. This is Angels and Black Rock Coffee. I believe it was going 7 miles.
Can I do then a double chocolate, a double sweet cake?
Thank you.
Would you like anything to drink?
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. I didn't even know where I was going for the most part. I forgot that place even existed. I've been there maybe 3 times, including that time. Oh, I hate this place. Why does L randomly turn into EE on the next building? Total for that was $12 with a 50-cent tip. Got the next order right away. This is Seize the Bagel going 4 miles. I think that's one of my orders. Is that for Nima? Thank you.
Who do you have? Sarah G. Anybody else pick Sarah G? Okay, we're still working on
Juliana?
Juliana?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you. So they gave me an add-on while I was waiting for that first order. It's going an extra half a mile. Total for that stack was just under $13. Not bad, actually. That didn't take very long. Next order up is Los Bros Taco Shop. This is going 2.5 miles. Thank you. There you are.
Thanks, man. Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $8. Okay, that one was really good. Got this next order pretty much right away. This is a Starbucks going 3.5 miles. Thank
Have
you.
a good one.
You too. This would be all the way on the top floor. Total for that one was $9. Okay. Back to back, really good orders. Thank you, thank you. We are headed to Los Bros Taco Shop. This one's going 3 miles. Oh yeah, there's the no tip. Total for that was $4. So bad. Took a little bit, but we finally got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 4 miles, 3 items. Got this one right away. This is Chick-fil-A going 6.5 miles. Thank you. I think I missed how much I got paid for that one, but I'll throw it up on the screen right now. Next order up, got a Mr. Maple Donuts going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Good morning.
Total for that order was $8. Next up, we got a McDonald's. This one is going 4.5 miles. Total for that order was $7 and change. Next order up is Red Leaf Organic Coffee. This one's going 4 miles.
Okay, for Brandy.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. I'm doing very good. How are you?
Brandy. Total for that order was $8 and change. Got this right away. This is Angels going 5 miles. Can I also get a glazed twist?
Sure.
Total for that one was $9. Okay, pretty good. Current time is 9:59. Total we ended up with 109. Actually, maybe 110. I gotta add up the change, but at least 109. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.